Graded Card Investor.
What's going on, guys? It's Matt with GradedCardInvestor.com, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to cover the top 15 highest selling recently sold sports cards from 2001. This list is going to contain primarily rookie cards. However, I did throw in an insert at the end, I believe. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the list. Starting off the list at number 15 is a 2001 Upper Deck Inspirations Manu Ginobili rookie card number 143, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of only 18, with 29 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on April 30th for $246. These are serial numbered out of 2,999. One of Ginobili's earliest rookie cards. Very condition sensitive. And for a PSA 10, I think a very affordable price. Coming in at number 14 is a 2001 Upper Deck MVP Pat Tillman rookie card number 7, graded BGS 9.5, gem mint condition. Current population of 39, with 76 submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on April 24th for $300. Pat Tillman, he's a true American hero. I think his cards are going to be forever collectible because of what he sacrificed for his country. You know, his rookie cards aren't for his performance on the field, it's his performance off the field and what he's done, the legacy that he's created for himself. He's a legend, he's always going to be remembered. Coming in at number 13 is a 2001 Russian Dynamo Alex Ovechkin rookie card number 15, graded BGS 9, mint condition, current population of only 2, with just 7 submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on June 6th for $305. This is Ovechkin's first card ever printed. One of his first cards ever printed, 2001. He was drafted in 2004. However, like I said, this is 2001, one of his earliest cards. If you're looking up his stuff in pop reports, make sure to type in Alexander Ovechkin and it'll pop up. If you type in Alex Ovechkin, his stuff probably won't pop up, his early stuff. Coming in at number 12 is a 2001 Playoff Contenders Reggie Wayne rookie ticket auto number 166, graded BGS 9, mint condition, current population of 13, with just 36 submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on April 24th for $320. These are said to have been only 400 printed. Reggie Wayne, I think he's going to make it into the Hall of Fame for sure. It's just only a matter of time. Coming in at number 11 is a 2001 Upper Deck SP Authentic Pavel Datsyuk Future Watch rookie card number 145, graded BGS 9.5, gem mint condition, current population of 47, with just 110 submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on April 6th for $335. These are serial numbered out of 900. Coming in at number 10 is a 2001 Topps Chrome Pau Gasol rookie card number 131, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 235, with 476 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on June 20th for $400. Pau Gasol, he's going to end the season playing for, I believe, Spain, overseas in the Spanish league. He's a 2-time NBA champ, a 6-time All-Star, 4-time All-NBA, and was a 3rd-round pick in the first round 2001 NBA draft by the Atlanta Hawks drafted him. Coming in at number 9 is a 2001 Playoff Contenders Michael Vick rookie ticket auto number 157, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 36, with 114 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on June 21st for $885. I can only imagine what these were selling for during Michael Vick's prime. I think because of his elite running skill as a quarterback, his cards still have collectability. If any player got into the Hall of Fame due to their performance in a video game, Michael Vick would lead the charts from Madden 2004. He was just insane in that video game. If you guys ever played it, you know what I'm talking about. He was literally unstoppable. He single-handedly changed the way players were ranked in Madden due to his cheat code style character, where he was just unstoppable. Coming in at number 8 is a 2001 SP Authentic Steve Smith rookie card autograph number 146, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 37, with just 65 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on April 24th for $909. These are serial numbered out of 550. One of the more premium brands in the hobby, SP Authentic. Steve Smith was a great receiver. He started his career with the Panthers and he ended it with the Ravens, I believe. Never won a ring. However, he's going to be eligible for the Hall of Fame in 2022, and I really do think that he's going to get in. Coming in at number 7 is a 2001 Playoff Contenders LaDainian Tomlinson rookie ticket auto number 150, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 51, with 165 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on June 28th for $3,101. LT, dominant running back, there's no denying it. He's already in the Hall of Fame. He's a one-time MVP, 5-time Pro Bowl, 3-time All-Pro, playing the majority of his career with the Chargers and ending it with the Jets. He is currently number 7 for most career rushing yards with 13,684, beating Jerome Bettis, Eric Dickerson, Tony Dorsett, Jim Brown, Marshall Faulk, Edgar and James, and the list goes on. LT, legendary running back, no doubt about it. One of the more notable rookie cards of 2001. Coming in at number 6 is the 2001 Topps Chrome Tony Parker Black Refractor rookie card number 155, graded PSA 9, mint condition, current population of only 8, with none graded higher. Sold at auction on May 21st for $4,250. This is a little unfair because it's a black refractor. Due to the serial number, the print run being so low, the price is going to be very high. However, I couldn't leave it off this list. Tony Parker really isn't a statistical leader. However, he is a 4-time NBA champion, 6-time All-Star, and a 4-time All-NBA. Coming in at number 5 is the 2001 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection Ichiro Suzuki rookie card autograph number 120, graded SGC 9, mint condition, current population of only 1. The only one submitted to SGC so far. Sold at auction on June 28 for $9,567. These are serial numbered out of 250. Looks like an odd card autograph. Ichiro's first year eligibility for the Hall of Fame is 2025, which I think is going to be the year he gets in. So I do believe Ichiro is going to be a first ballot Hall of Famer. Coming in at number 4 is a 2001 Bowman Chrome Albert Pujols rookie card refractor number 340, graded PSA 9, mint condition, current population of 119 with 208 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on June 17th for $25,400. These are serial numbered out of 500. On-card autograph. Pujols rookie cards are only going up in value. He continues to play with the Dodgers. However, how much longer is he going to play is to be determined. First ballot Hall of Famer, no doubt about it. If you don't have any Pujols rookie cards, you got to pick some up now. One of the greatest players of our generation for sure. Coming in at number 3 is a 2001 Playoff Contenders Drew Brees rookie ticket auto number 124, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 34 with 170 of these submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on May 31st for $35,300. Drew Brees is literally a statistical football god. When it comes to stats, he's dominant across the board. I can literally spend probably an hour talking about how great his stats are. Between him and Tom Brady, they set the ceiling so high for upcoming quarterbacks that it's kind of sad. Like, they made the ceiling so high and difficult to beat. Because he set the bar so high and he's going to hold those records for so long, I think his rookie cards are going to be relevant for many, many, many years and decades to come. Coming in at number 2 is a 2001 SP Authentic Dual Signatures Michael Jordan and Kobe Bryant autograph, graded BGS 9.5, gem mint condition, current population of 13, with just 32 of these submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on May 21st for $39,700. Michael Jordan playing with the Wizards, Kobe Bryant with the Lakers. Beautiful on-card autograph, guys. These are serial numbered out of 50. I couldn't leave this one off the list with a price tag that high and 2 legendary GOATs on the same card. Man, oh man, what a beauty. Coming in at number 1 is a 2001 SP Authentic Tiger Woods rookie card autograph number 45, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 143 with 295 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction recently, June 25th for $50,100. I couldn't believe it when I saw the price tag of these cards. Tiger Woods cards, guys, they are insane. This is serial numbered out of 900. SP Authentic premium brand. Man, oh man. Golf cards, Tiger Woods cards are just insanely expensive. If you look at some of his other stuff for this year and previous years, prices are consistent. Tiger Woods, guys, if you see one, pick it up at a garage sale or a flea market, wherever, just make sure they're not reprints. All right, so that's it, guys. Top 15 highest selling recently sold sports cards from 2001. Hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up. Make sure to check back for more videos. I got a lot more coming for you guys. Thanks for watching.